Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the Patch Tuesday updates for security. That is today, the second Tuesday of the month of August 2026. Now, this for Windows 11, if you install the updates, you'll see that it will come in the form of a update that is KB 512 1003, 5121003. And this will update your Windows 11 24H2, 25H2 to 26100.9168 or 26200.9168. It also came today with the .NET Framework Security Update, two of them, if you have, depending on what you have installed. Once again, these are optional, so sometimes, depending on what you do, you might not have all of these updates. The main update will be there, but .NET Framework has to be installed, and it is installed on a lot of PCs, but not necessarily everybody. And so this is, of course, the security updates for the month of August. It contains a huge amount of fixes, a lot of critical flaws and high security flaws. We'll explore the details of that in the next video for Microsoft products and including Windows. But what is particularly important for Windows 11 is 3 0 days that are patched. One has to do with the Windows Ancillary Function driver for WinSock. It's an elevation of privilege vulnerability. The other one has to do with Windows User Profile Service that has elevation of privilege vulnerability. And the Windows Container Isolation FS Filter driver. The file is union, UNIONFS.sys. And you can tamper with this. It's a tampering vulnerability. So these are 0 days. They are exploited in the wild right now by bad guys. So this means that it's important to update your Windows operating system. So check it out. Mine installed quite quickly. I installed it in less than 10 minutes, I would say. The download, everything went real fast. So not too bad. Considering, once again, another big month of security flaws that are fixed. Less than last month, 570, something like that. It's 400 this month, but we'll look at that on the next video. So update your Windows 11 now if you wish. And I know that some of you take your time and wait a little bit in case there's some issues, but it will be very important to update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.